In this question number 3, that's in exercise 7.1, it is given that triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED, then write all corresponding parts of these two triangles. So first one we will write here corresponding sides, that is AB, this is the side number 1, AB, and the corresponding side of the second triangle is FE. Clear? AB and FE. So these are corresponding sides always equal if these two triangles are congruent. So you can write that this is FE. And second, base of this triangle, name of the base is BC, and the base of this triangle is ED. So these two sides are correspondingly equal. So you will write it as ED. Okay. Now you are observing from the diagram, and after that next side is AC, and the corresponding side of the second triangle is FD. So you can write that AC equal to FD. Okay. After that, in the next things, without diagram you can also state it why and how. The first two letters of this triangle is what? AB, and the first two letters of this triangle is FE. So you can write that AB equal to FE. Last two letters of this triangle is BC, and last two letters ED. So you can write that BC equal to ED without observing the diagram. And the first and last letter of the first triangle AC, and the first and last letter of this triangle. So you can write that AC equal to FD. These are the corresponding parts always equal without observing the triangle, without observing the diagram. बिना डायग्राम के भी आप बता सकते हो। और अभी आपने ये सारी चीज़ें कहाँ से लिखी थी? डायग्राम देख करके। तो डायग्राम नहीं भी होता तब भी आप लिखते, फर्स्ट टू लेटर, लास्ट टू लेटर, फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट, then you will get all three corresponding sides are equal. After that, moving for other things is angle. So what is the corresponding angle? See here. This angle, the top vertex, and this angle is A, and this angle is F. So always this angle A just equal to angle F. After that, the second left corner, and here is the left corner, this one. So you can say that angle B just equal to angle E. And after that, the right vertex here is C, and here is the right vertex is D. So this angle is also correspondingly equal. That is, you can say that angle C equal to angle D. So these are corresponding angles always equal. You observe here diagram and state that the corresponding angle, but without observing the diagram you can easily say that the first letter, that is angle A, just equal to angle F, angle B just equal to angle E, and angle C just equal to angle D. So these all are corresponding parts of the two triangles always equal if two triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, then all 6, 3 sides and 3 angles corresponding parts are equal. This is the question number 4. If triangle DEF congruent to triangle BCA, then write the corresponding parts, that is angle E. So you see, where is angle E? Just middle of D and F. So the middle part is
C.
yes, you can write that angle C just correspondingly equal without observing the diagram. Diagram में भी देखोगे तो E है ये left vertex and this is also left vertex. Okay. Now EF is the last two letters. Correct. This is CA. Very nice. और यहाँ से भी देख सकते हो. This is EF. EF means base. Base of the second triangle is CA. And now angle F.
Angle A.
Correct. Angle A. And here you also observe that this is the right top corner, right vertex of these two triangles. Yes, correct. EF means first and last. And this is so this is the answer of this question. I think that the concept is very clear.